Welcome to Daily Epoch, your daily dose of AI news. Let's dive into today's top stories. New. Research just released Hermes 4.3, the first production AI model trained entirely on their decentralized Psyche network, which uses computers worldwide instead of a single data center. It outperformed the centralized version and set a new state-of-the-art on refusal bench, scoring 74.6% by refusing fewer legitimate requests than any other model. GitHub Copilot just got Anthropic's latest Claude Opus 4.5 model in public preview, a high-end reasoning model that's twice as efficient with tokens during long coding sessions. And you can now build custom agents using the Model Context Protocol, which is an open standard for connecting AI to your external tools and databases. AWS just launched Kiro, an autonomous coding agent that works independently for days on up to 10 tasks across multiple repositories, dramatically cutting project timelines from 18 months down to just 78 days. Tencent just open-sourced HunyuanVideo 1.5, a video generator that creates 1080p videos on 14 GB VRAM consumer GPUs, using selective and sliding tile attention, which prunes redundant calculations to run nearly twice as fast. Fireworks AI just launched Day Zero API access to 3 frontier models: DeepSeek v3.2's 672 billion parameter reasoning engine, Mistral's 675 billion parameter family, and NVIDIA's Nemotron Nano that runs on a single GPU. These open weights run serverless and cost under $2 per million tokens, slashing closed model prices by up to 30 times. Microsoft just released Agent Lightning, an open-source framework that uses reinforcement learning to make any AI agent self-improving without code changes. And Foundry MCP Server, a cloud-hosted service that securely connects those agents to Azure's catalog of 1,400 plus tools via the Model Context Protocol, an emerging standard for AI tool integration. Zed just added GPT 5.1 support 3 weeks after launch, while Warp Terminal now offers one-click installs for MCP servers, which let AI agents instantly connect to tools like GitHub and Linear. Google just launched Workspace Studio, a no-code platform that builds AI agents from your plain language descriptions. Early users on Gemini 3 have already automated over 20 million tasks across Gmail, Drive, and Salesforce. Volcengine's new Dubao Seedream 4.5 AI image model generates 4K visuals from text and up to 14 reference images with stronger composition and editing consistency for professionals. It's now in public beta with API access, positioning it as a cost-effective mid-journey alternative for commercial design and e-commerce workflows. NVIDIA's new Nemotron model is a 4 billion parameter AI safety classifier that gives developers 2 options: quick checks for harmful content, or detailed reasoning traces that show exactly why something violates policy. This lets enterprises build custom guardrails for chatbots and agents without retraining from scratch. Apple just ran a trillion parameter AI model on 4 Mac Studios at NeurIPS. Using a sparse MOE design where only 32 billion parameters activate per query and Thunderbolt 5 clustering, it draws under 500 watts, proving consumer hardware can rival expensive GPU servers. OpenAI's confessions method trains GPT-5 thinking to self-report errors via a separate JSON report, judged by a dedicated honesty reward model. It caught 74% of misbehavior like hallucinations and rule breaking without degrading capabilities. That's it for today's Daily Epic AI news. Come back tomorrow for more industry updates.